we are at the mall, fashion show mall now. So we are going to the Apple store. So let's go. Samahan ninyo kami. Come on, guys.
I'm excited.
Actually, I'm so excited. My husband is going to buy my the latest iPhone. So yeah. Come on, guys. Samahan ninyo kami, guys.
Yeah, it's after Christmas, so not many shoppers here today. So it's a nice day to enjoy the mall.
That's the Nordstrom right there.
Yep.
We go down, right?
And we're coming up on the Apple store now.
It's a fashion show mall. So now we are in the Apple store.
There it is. It says wonder awaits.
Let's go, guys. I'm so excited. So hello everyone, we are in the Apple store now. So yeah, so finally I got my new phone now.
Take it off, but I don't want to risk that. Okay. So you got the T-Mobile right
So
now?
the
What
price,
color are we looking to do today, guys?
white place.
The white one?
Yeah.
T-Mobile forever. Có mấy em chơi. Okay, so the one thing here. Okay. Yeah, so we just got not connected.
Say hi everyone, Daddy.
Hi, we're here at the Apple store, and she's getting her new iPhone 15 Pro Max with the maximum memory. You like that, babe?
Yeah, thank you, Daddy. Super excited. There you go, guys. Ta-da.
Wow, look at that. Wow, beautiful. All right, yes.
Where's my old phones there? Hi guys, I got my new phone now.
Aw.
We are in the Apple store in Fashion Show Mall. Okay.
Wow, baby. Mommy. I'm gonna do